Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Ford Ranger STX. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, you see that it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels, and the STX 4x4 package that I mentioned earlier. There's your tow package. Really nice spray-on bed liner. The tie-down system there in the bed is amazing. It's come a long ways. I have an F-150. It's a little bit older model than this, and I just am totally jealous of that tie-down system. Okay, so it does have black fabric seats and a 110 volt outlet, 2 USBs. You see right here that the VIN, and I will upload some still photos as well. So now we go through this fairly quickly. Okay. You see that it only has 594 miles on this vehicle. And right here is the trip computer toggle. And I'll go ahead and do a cold restart for you. So you can see that. Okay, and then your cruise control, your stereo controls, and your push to talk, and your other stereo controls right here. As you see, we brought it home. You've got your compass, then you've got your audio.
Listen to Welcome to Our Show on the iHeart.
Okay, and that sounds good. And your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Got your climate right here. Your phone. And then your settings and your vehicle data. Come over here, you've got your stereo controls that are manual, and then you have two 12 volt outlets down here, and then 2 USB ports right there, your automatic start stop, and then your trailering, 2 and 4 wheel drive, your shifter, and then you have your cup holders and your handbrake, additional stowage down there. You have a lockable glove compartment, and then your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ranger on the interior. Alright, this vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.